insect control situation here. I got an industrial board. You can see something's been visiting. You can see from the tracks. They're able to get off, even though these are cold weather boards. I staple them, but it just tacked on there. There's not even any hairs on it. So I was able to check it out. These have not been disturbed. There's a snap trap that has been set off. There are seeds on it, but I guess whatever got away, make sure that it probably caught. I think you see some hair, and where it chewed off, it got off. So the trap probably injured it. Anyway, don't see any activity on these glue boards. This device has caught something or was triggered. So let's see what happened here. Let's see if there's something inside. I can just tell from just looking at what's inside the trap. See if there's anything in there. There we go. So you see something in there, a mouse. So I'm going to remove that. Looks like there's a lot less activity than the previous 3 visits I've done. Every time I came here, there was like 5 or 6 captured. And you see the standalone traps haven't been touched. And this one's good. These snap traps haven't been taken. There's some activity on this board here. See a little bit of hair and insulation in this trap has been triggered. See if there's anything in there. Yeah. See rodent in there. I'm gonna remove it. So that's just 2. There's some boards up there, some old traps. We'll check out this last device.